Every day there are a huge amount of food should not be thrown away. But the situation is very terrible all around the world. The amount of food waste is out of imagine. In the food industry, 1.6 billion tons of food waste was generated by food retailers alone per year. All the waste food is from domestic homes, pubs, schools, restaurants, hospitals, etc. Around 607 tons of food disposed by the hospitality sector in UK, almost 407 tons are avoidable and reconsumable after better management. However, large quantity of people is suffering from hunger all around the world. A lot of people have not enough food in their life. Most of them have just a low income to support their life. Some even have no job and no home. How can we help them? What if there is a magic? In our Green Box community, reconsumable food are carefully selected, double disinfected, and then strictly stored inside our Green Box. And more importantly, all this food will be distributed to anyone who needs the food instantly. There will be no more food waste. Instead, there will be more hope, more job, and for everyone. Green Box, Green Life.